How to fix vanishing match after starting chat on Tinder. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to solve how we can fix if our matches are vanishing after we're matching or chatting on Tinder. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. A vanishing Tinder match after starting a chat can be due to several reasons, including the other person might have unmatched you or deleted their account or potential technical issues with the app. To troubleshoot this, first of all, we can open Tinder and try to log out of our account by coming to Profile page, tapping the gear icon from the top right hand side, scrolling down to this little logout button over there and try logging in back to the app again. Ensure that you have got a very stable internet connection. You can also try to uninstall and reinstall the application. If you're using an Android phone, I would recommend you long press the Tinder app icon, tap on the eye icon which is going to take us to the app information page. From here we can go to storage, clear the cache files and try to clear the data as well. Also go to your respective app stores or play stores and ensure that your Tinder app is updated to the latest version. Hopefully, one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.